Give me a little bit of peace, I don't ask for much. Just no comparison to me, I'm just a bastard, bro. The way I mix it with the words, I make a massacre. You hear the pain in my rhyme spectacular, but yeah, you pass it up. I did it. Move on, my shit looked over like it's not a threat. It takes a lot of time, I wanna get you convinced, but when I hit you with the shit, it makes opinion switch. I better get the recognition that I really deserve. It's not a superb, the one that doesn't defer and not patiently propose. I proceed, but don't patronize me.
It took damage. It's infected. Let's get the chickens to help us. Motherfuckers be like, I don't always drink McDonald's, but when I do, I like to litter. Stop doing that, cacahuates. Throw your trash away.
Ain't got no place to call my own. Feels like I'm better off alone. So sad inside and hopeless. These Hollywood hoes never know.
I did it! Climbing rocks like this is quite hard. So we upgraded our audio for you guys on YouTube so we can hear stuff better when we make haunted adventures and stuff like this. So now we upgraded so we can hear little tiny details when you guys hear ghosts or stuff like that, or cacahuates.
Call me whenever you feel alone, babe. And when you need to cry, I'll be by your side. Call me whenever you need someone, babe.
Alright, it's hot as shit. I think it's like summertime. I don't know why, what's going on right here. Gonna show off the premium product in this freezing weather. Just kidding, it's summer.
Remember the days I let slip away. They were simpler times. Mama told me before.
Now he's getting angry. Oh my gosh, my hands. I got him.
Child, when you're out on your own.
Fucking Pikachu, man. He came outside for a second.
Child, don't forget who